Alright guys, we're here today doing some upgrades on the old Fusion, and we got some more goodies from Go Fast Bits. They sent us a Wastegate actuator. So this guy is actually from an XR6 Falcon Turbo. So they sent us a bunch of different size rods and rod ends and stuff to actually make this fit. So we're gonna be testing that to get a wastegate on the market for you Ecoboost guys. Well, a wastegate actuator, and this thing is super pretty, just like everything else that they make, and I imagine it's gonna work great. And then this other thing is really cool because it replaces all of your blow-off valve stuff with brand new stuff. So this is their brand new, super loud, it's got a damn horn on it, blow-off valve, and it's a proprietary solenoid. But lucky for you, they make a beautiful harness here that's already heat shrunk, ready to go, closed out. Will work on the factory plug, and you just get this little jumper here to plug it in. So I'm gonna hook both of these up. I got a tune from EMS, Ryan Martin. He's got us a spicy tune for this boy, and we're gonna try it out, so let's get to work. All right, so I've been fighting this rod for a little bit. I used a pair of shears. I cut the plate off. I undid the top two bolts, still couldn't get to it. So I cut the plate, and then on that rod there's a little clip that holds it on. And so once I cut that all off, I was able to get this little guy off with a flathead screwdriver. So kind of a pain. Hopefully I can put it back on, but now I should be able to slide this old actuator off and get the new one on. All right, I have this adjusted. The factory rod is about 5 3/8 long. So I just measured from the base there to the center of the eyelet. It made this match. We are gonna need to do a little bit of adjustment because it's a 12-pound spring in here and Ryan wants a 14. So we'll just use this little adjuster here to put a little preload on it, and we should be able to get it right to the 14-pound pressure. And so I'm gonna slap this on and do the adjustments, and hopefully she'll work just great. Okay, so I got the wastegate actuator on, and we're using our adjustment on this rod here like I showed you, and I've got a little basketball pump here that goes up to 20 psi. So I have it adjusted now. We pump it up nice and slow and wait till the rod moves. And there we go, the rod moves, and we're at like 13.5. We're looking for 14. And she moved. So I think 13.5, she's like 13 3/4, 13.5, especially with this, it's not super accurate, but should be super close. I think it will be fine. If it has any issues, all I gotta do is adjust the little rod there, and I might need to bump it up, but I think we will be solid. So I gotta just tighten these jam nuts up, put my heat shield back on, and then we're gonna be putting our blow-up valve on. Unfortunately, that super nice piece is down in there and you can't really see it, but she's in, and she should control the boost a lot better. All right, this is super easy to put on. Harness fit great, pops right together, and it's got an adjustment there, so you can pretty much put it any way you want. I put it facing up because I want to be super loud. So let's get this thing tuned. All right, it's a super exciting day. We're at 8-town speed in Belton, finally getting this thing on the dyno. We put all the Nostrum goodies on it, so we're gonna do some 93 pulls. We're gonna have Ryan from EMS tune it remotely, and then we're gonna switch over to 85. It is like 100 degrees out today, so I don't think we're gonna make 400, but hopefully it's pretty close. So let's see what we can get out of this thing. it's working. All right, my camera's working. So we made 376 and 374.
371, 370.
Something like that, give or take. But that's super good power. So I'm stoked about that. We haven't even gone on E yet. So we're gonna do another pull, and I'm actually gonna data log it this time. Being mad. We're uploading the data log now. I couldn't get an in-car of the pull, but it feels great, and I don't know what we made yet, but I just got that uploaded, and we'll see what we got after that. What'd she make that time?
374, 379.
Oh, so it's pretty right there. Hell yeah, that's super good.
Yeah, 374, 379.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
It is. I didn't think we were gonna hit that number. 85 today. Hot.
Oh, that's on 80?
No, that's on pump. All right, so I'm terrible at recording stuff and forgot to record the run. But they pulled a bunch of timing out because we're a little spicy. So we made 354 and 343. Which is still really good power for being on pump gas. So I think that might be it. And then we will throw some E85 and let's see if we can crack that 400 number. Right now, I got a little doohickey here to pump the rest of the fuel out. The fuel pump's on. She's trickling. I figured she would have pumped more, but pumping the fuel out. And then we're gonna put E85 in it to see what this thing can really make.
One eternity later.
Okay, we got the first tune on E85. It seems to run and idle good, but it's still breaking up a little bit at high RPM. So we're uploading the new tune right now. If this free rev's good, we'll do a little bit of driving on it, make sure that it runs good, and we'll probably make another hit. All right, let's see if it free rev's good. Do a data log and send it off. Seems a lot better though. All right, we're hacked into the main frame. Gonna do a couple driving things. Pretty close. Let's do a hit. Felt pretty strong. 391. Only picked up 40 horse. Gross. We need 9 more horse. That's all we need. like fuel cans in it, probably go pretty good. I'll sync this and see if he wants to do more, but he's probably done. He's on the East Coast, so it's already 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
All right, I'm stoked. We got the number. It's 409 here. Where is it? I don't even know how to read it. 409 and 411. She's spicy. Let's see how many stock turbos we go through before we turn it down a little bit. Hell yeah. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm super stoked about the car making over 400 horsepower. I really didn't expect it to, but since we went late into the night, we didn't have the super hot temperatures that I thought we were gonna be dynoing at. So it's probably like 85, 90 degrees in the shop, and we didn't even have a fan on the car. So still super stoked. 410 horsepower from a completely stock engine and stock turbo with just basically bolt-ons, injectors, and some other goodies is pretty impressive, especially with only 2.3 liters. So we're definitely going to be putting this platform to the test. I'm not super nice to it. I daily drive it, and we've been drifting it pretty frequently. So we're gonna get ready for this next competition here. Hopefully we can win that, going against some LS 240s, and we're gonna be recording. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow along, let us know what you wanna see, and don't forget to check out the website for some merch. See you later.